Good morning, welcome to Goodwill. In this video presentation we will see how we can draw trend lines and trend channels for crude oil, MCX crude oil 3-minute candlestick chart, and let's see how that can be useful for today's trading. So let's go and draw a few trend channels. So every day we'll be drawing 3 trend channels and we will update the performance on the next day. So we had drawn a trend channel by connecting the low that was created on 27th and yesterday, assuming that the price will move within this trend. And you should note that after a very aggressive run in the last 3 days the market had consolidated, but you should see there is a trend exists. So the trend should follow. You could see that if I increase the scale, now it is expected to open somewhere near 5120. So this blue line is a lower level. If the price breaks this blue line, it indicates some short-term selling, and if it is going to break the upper violet line, which should act as a resistance, and the topmost resistance comes from this red line. So hope if the momentum is very strong, the price will clear this violet line and it will stay on the upper band of the trend. So let's see how this is going to be helpful for us. Now let's go back and draw the second trend channel. So this is another trend channel we had, uptrend channel we had drawn. So by connecting the low that was created on 26th, now you could notice that there is a trend deviation at this point. So the price picked the momentum to leave the upper channel and even it went beyond that, but finally it had corrected and entered into this trend. Now the price is trading within this trend. So that's how we need to look at the price actions. The second objective is the price is expected to trade within this zone. So again, the price, if the price is not comfortable trading within this blue line, then there can be some short-term selling if the price is going to break this. So again, we need to watch this trend channel closely. For basically buyers should watch these trend channels very closely because of the price had not given any correction after a very big bull run. This is another trend channel which we had drawn. So this was drawn by picking these two highs and matching these two lows, yesterday's lows, and projecting the third line. This should be the overall some trend. If the price is dropping, you can use this red line as the support and you can buy at this zone if the price is dropping. Now if you could see that if I'm going to put all these 3 lines together, you will feel as if it looks like a mess, but we want to convey you one point. This is the point. So these 3 lines mixing together will act as a support for the dropping price, and these 2 lines should act as a resistance if the price is breaking it, and this is again going to act as a support, and we have various diagonal support and resistance lines to guide us for today's trading. That's the key objective for these trend lines. So let us see what's going to happen during the trading session, and thanks a lot for watching our videos. Happy trading, take care, bye.